Hey guys, if your photos are not opening in Windows 11, then I'm going to show you a few solutions to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Settings, and then just click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Apps, click on Installed Apps, and using the search box, just type in the word Photo, and right at the top, you should see this Microsoft application called Photos. Now, what you need to do is click on the three horizontal dots and click Advanced Options, and then scroll down to this Reset section. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on the Repair button like so, and once that's finished, you then need to hit on Reset as well, and then just confirm by pressing Reset. So once you've done that, you can try heading back over to your photo and checking to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not opening, then what you'll need to do instead is come back over to the settings page, and from the left-hand side, click on Apps, select Default Apps. Then come over to the search box and just type in the word Photo once again, and then click on the Photos app like so. Now, what you need to do here is make sure that your image files are set to the default Photos app. So what you're going to do is just scroll down this page and make sure all of your image formats are set to Photos. So for example, the first one we've got is this .gif. You want to click on this and make sure it's set to the default Photos app and click on Set Default. Then you also want to do the same for .heic. So make sure you have Photos selected and click on Set Default. Then if we scroll down again, you want to do the same for both JPEG and .jpg. And then finally, if you scroll down, you want to do the same for .png, which is this one here. So just click on it and make sure Photos is set to the default app. Now, once you've done this, once again, try heading over to your photo and checking if that's now solved your issue. If it's still not working, the next thing you can do is come back over to the Start menu, search for PowerShell, and then right-click on the Windows PowerShell and run this as administrator. So in this window here, we're just going to type in the following command. Now, I've already got this saved on my notepad, so I'm just going to come and copy all of this text, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So I'm just going to paste this command in like so and hit enter, and that's essentially going to reinstall the Windows Photos application. So just make sure you wait for this to completely finish running, and once that's finished, you're going to head back over to the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now in this window here, we're just going to type in sfc /scan now and then hit enter, and what this will do is just perform a quick scan on all of your core Windows system files just to ensure that nothing's corrupted or damaged. So once again, wait for this scan to get to 100%, and then once it's finished, if you head back over to your photo, that should have now solved any opening issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.